Most traders approach zero DTE options by staring at the underlying chart, throwing on RSI, MACD, maybe a moving average, and acting like they just hacked Wall Street. Beautiful. One purple line crosses one orange line, and suddenly everyone is a fund manager. But zero DTE options are different. These contracts expire the same day, which means price, volatility, liquidity, and time decay can all shift extremely fast. RSI and MACD are not useless, but used alone, they can be late. By the time they confirm the move, the option premium may have already repriced, the spread may have widened, and the clean entry may already be gone. That is the zero DTE trap. The edge is not guessing direction, like some finance wizard in a rented Lamborghini. The edge is stacking filters. First, volatility. The VIX basis can help show whether short-term fear is stretched compared to future volatility expectations. But that is not a trade signal by itself. It is context. Second, structure. Volume profile helps show where price has actually traded with size. High volume areas can become reaction zones. Low volume areas can create faster movement because there may be less participation there. Not guaranteed, just useful. Third, confirmation. Relative strength and order flow help show whether the move still has real pressure behind it or whether it is starting to run out of fuel. That is where the setup gets interesting. Not because one candle looked dramatic, not because RSI made you feel intelligent, and definitely not because you had a feeling. The goal is simple. Wait until volatility, structure, and confirmation all point to the same idea. The 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. window can be useful because same-day premium becomes increasingly sensitive as expiration gets closer. But it is not magic. You still need a real setup. And risk management cannot be random. If the structure that created the trade disappears, the trade is wrong. Get out. Because in zero DTE options, being early is expensive. Being emotional is worse. And treating RSI like sacred scripture is basically financial cosplay with extra buttons. If you want to learn the full strategy, join our free school community. We break down defined risk options trading, daily setups, and the exact process behind how we approach the market.